most of them dandelions, as you can see here. There's quite a few, some on the lawn. These are the main ones on the path. Got a few here, there, and up here. What I'm going to be using is this. You can use any salt, but this is just what I've got available. Saxa sea salt. Get it open. I'm going to try by just covering the centre with some salt, and then if it doesn't rain, give it a spray of water next day or 2 days. But yeah, give it really good amount of salt in the centre. Hopefully this will dehydrate them enough, draw the moisture out, and I hope it's going to kill them. Fingers crossed. Just here, as we come down here, here we go, these little ones here, pain. See, I can only get the tops off. What happens then is it leaves a root in, and it basically just gets fatter and fatter. That's what's happened with these. I used some weed killer on these actually a couple of years ago, and it got rid of them, which was great. But I've got a cat, so I don't really like using weed killer of any kind, not when you've got pets. But hopefully this is only cheap, this. I'm hoping that there's enough here to at least get the ones off the path, get rid of those. Yeah, as you can see, I'm putting plenty on. Somebody who follows me on YouTube suggested some salt. I've used it before, but it's been a long time. I can't even remember how well it worked, so we're going to have a little experiment. We're just going to put this on here, leave it till tomorrow, and if it's not rained, I shall just get my little sprayer and put a little bit of water on. Let's have a look here, what we've got here. Just here. Actually, we're out of salt now, so we'll do just, that's it. So that's it, we're out of salt now. Get the bin here, get that away. I'll go and get some more later on today or tomorrow now. Let's just have a look at that, shall we? Yep, nicely on the centre. And I've done most of them on this path now. Could have been a bit more precise, but I just want to get plenty on there. Like I said, can't do any damage to anything else, except plugs and snails, which I'm not bothered about anyway. So hopefully, how to use salt to get rid of your dandelions in your path. So yeah, I'll post an update tomorrow or the day after. If you've got any questions about how to get rid of weeds using salt, please don't hesitate to ask. If you like videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.